Select the area in which you want to apply music, and then click the music icon. Select the type of music you want to apply. Select the music mode that matches your video. Click the play icon in the list to preview it. If you find music you like, download it. If you choose the music that you downloaded one more time, you can set the range and repeat of music. You can also copy copyright content to add to the video description. Press the apply button to apply the music. You can delete or edit applied music again.